In this video, we're going to take a look at simplifying complex fractions. And what makes this video different from the last video is that now we have more than one term in the numerator and or the denominator. So the process is going to be to combine the terms in the numerator and the denominator, and then we're going to rewrite the complex fraction, and then we're going to simplify just like we did in the last video. So here in number 1 it says simplify the complex fractions, state the value or values for which the complex fraction is undefined. In A we have 1 over m squared plus 2 divided by 3 divided by 1 over m minus 5 divided by 6. And we want to state all of the values which this complex fraction is undefined. So m squared cannot equal 0. So m squared would be 0 if m was 0. So m cannot equal 0. And then 3 cannot be 0, which it's a constant, so it won't be 0. And then m again cannot be 0. And 6 cannot be 0. But then also 1 over m minus 5 divided by 6, the entire denominator cannot equal 0. So if we were to create a common denominator, it would be 6m. So we would have 6m in the denominator, and in order to make 1 over m have a denominator of 6m, it would be 6, and then minus, for 6m in the denominator of the second fraction, we would multiply both top and bottom by m, so we would have 5m is equal to 0, and then 6 minus 5m cannot equal 0, and we would solve for m, so 6 is not equal to 5m, and m cannot equal 6/5. And we also said that m cannot equal 0. So this complex fraction is undefined when m is equal to 6/5 or m is equal to 0. And now it wants us to simplify it as well. So we have a common denominator of 3m squared in the numerator. So we're going to have 3 over 3m squared plus, we're going to have 2m squared divided by 3m squared, all divided by, in the denominator, our common denominator is 6m, so we have 6 over 6m minus 5m divided by 6m. And now I'm going to rewrite these as one fraction in the numerator and in the denominator. So I have 3 plus 2m squared divided by 3m squared, all divided by 6 minus 5m divided by 6m. And now I'm going to rewrite this as one fraction. So we have 3 plus 2m squared and 6m in the numerator, and 3m squared and 6 minus 5m in the denominator. So we're going to have 3 plus 2m squared times 6m divided by 3m squared times 6 minus 5m. And we can see that 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then we're going to have one factor of m in the numerator and the denominator cancel. So we're going to have 2 times 3 plus 2m squared divided by 6 minus 5m times m, which we could also write as 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 times 2m squared is 4m squared divided by m times 6 is 6m minus m times 5m is 5m squared. In this next example, I have 7 divided by x plus 2 minus 2 divided by x minus 3, all divided by x minus 5 divided by x plus 2. So we want to take a look at everything that can make this undefined. So x plus 2 is equal to 0 makes it undefined. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0, and x plus 2 again, and we already have that down. So x is equal to negative 2, x is equal to 3, and x is equal to 5. So this complex fraction is undefined at x is equal to negative 2, x is equal to 3, and x is equal to 5. And now we want to combine numerator and denominator into one fraction. So in the numerator, my common denominator is going to be x plus 2 times x minus 3. So I have 7 times the missing factor, which is x minus 3, divided by x plus 2 times x minus 3, minus 2 times the missing factor, which is x plus 2, divided by x plus 2 times x minus 3. And all of that is divided by x minus 5 divided by x plus 2. And now we can say that this is equal to, and now I'm going to multiply the 7 through the parentheses. So I have 7x minus 21 minus 2 times x, 2x, plus 4, all divided by x plus 2, x minus 3, and all of this is divided by x minus 5 divided by x plus 2. So now I'm going to combine my terms in the numerator. So I have 7x minus 2x gives me 5x. Negative 21 minus 4 gives me negative 25 divided by x plus 2 times x minus 3 divided by x minus 5 divided by x plus 2. And now that I have the numerator and the denominator as one fraction, I'm going to rewrite it as one total fraction. So I have 5x minus 5 So I have 5x minus 25 times x plus 2 divided by x plus 2, x minus 3, and x minus 5. And now I'm going to factor the numerator, so I can say that 5x minus 25 is equal to 5 times x minus 5 times x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 times x minus 3 times x minus 5. And now we can see that our factors of x minus 5 and x plus 2 cancel, leaving us with a final answer of 5 divided by x minus 3. And that's how we simplify complex fractions that have multiple terms in the numerator or denominator.